Hey there, meet techie generative AI, the kind of tech that makes stuff like pictures or words. One type is a language model, like chatbots. It's a vibe partner, not human like us, and not just a boring tool. Creators feed it tons of data, like piles of words, and it uses that to guess what we want. Plus, the more we chat with it, the more it learns about us and tweaks how it talks back. Techie's a chatbot. It gets fed heaps of data by its creators, like words about cats, and turns them into number guesses for what to say next. No brain like ours, just data and our questions. If it only knows cat stuff, it'll say cats are the best for everything, even warm weather. It doesn't think, it just guesses based on what it's got. Here's how Techie shapes us. We ask for more cats, and it gives us pics. Or even a cat game we didn't expect. That might make us try new things, like playing more games, because Techie's guesses can change what we like or do. It's sneaky like that. Now, we shape Techie too. Without our guidance, it might misunderstand and go totally wild. Oops. But when we tell it stop, or explain we meant just a few, we steer it the right way. It learns from us. Our words help it figure out what we really want, so it doesn't mess up big time. So, Techie's a chatbot helper. It guesses from day to day and might spark cool ideas for tomorrow. It's not human, even if it sounds like a friend down the street, but it's real and helps us, just like we help it. Let's team up smart for an awesome future.